What's up, everybody? Banggood just sent me some interesting coupon codes, so I'm going to share those with you. Let's check them out. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Banggood, basically it's like Chinese Amazon. They've got awesome deals on everything from electronics to clothing, but they got tons of drone stuff. So I work with them quite a bit. They send me a lot of the stuff that I review. I buy things from them, and they send me this Google Sheet full of coupons and codes and stuff. The first bunch they're all at the U.S. warehouse. They're going to ship to you quickly. So let's take a look at some of these things that we got here. Now, there is a link below in the description. So if you want any of these things, you want to save money, go ahead and click that link and it'll take it to you. Yes, they're affiliate links. That means they help me out. So if you click on one of these links and you buy one of these things, I get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything extra. In fact, you're getting a discount because you use one of these links from me. So hey, I'd love for you to help me out. That allows me to make more videos, but let's take a look at some of these things. Starting at the top, this Eachine E012 mini drone. This is a tiny little quad. I've got one of these things. Fits in the palm of your hand. 20 bucks. You can save 40% off of that. It's pretty darn cheap. All right, let's take a look at this Visuo. I'm guessing that's a shark-like Mavic clone. You got it. 53 bucks. That's pre-code. You're going to save 15% off of that. Aosenma. This is one of those GPS drones. I've got one of these. This guy's got a gimbal. It's on servos, so you know it's not the best, but you know it's 153 bucks. It's not a bad deal. And then we're going to save, it's going to be $110. It's not a bad deal. Pocket selfie drone. You want to see that? I've flown that one. It's pretty stable, actually. 30 bucks pre-code. Then we got Diamond Grid backpack. If you're looking for a backpack, soldering iron. If you're looking for a soldering iron, that looks like a nice one. 50 bucks. Goodness. Yes, and it is in fact a good programmable soldering iron. They're going to save a little bit there. True D-diversity, those things do a heck of a job. That's actually what I use in my Fat Sharks. This is one of these. I haven't actually been flying my Fat Sharks. I've been using other FPV goggles. We got a Nano Camera. We've got the Up Air 1, that's like a Mavic, I'm sorry, not a Mavic, a Phantom clone at half the price, 2.7K camera, you know, so think of this as basically a Mavic, sorry, I keep saying Mavic, a Phantom 3 Racer Star ESC. I've got one of these coming, so I can't tell you much about it other than 100 amp, that's pretty darn good. Diatone R349. This thing is a beast, a 3-inch beast. I ordered one of these from Banggood a while ago. Still waiting on that. I'm guessing got caught up in customs, but you're saving $30 there. The M8 Tool RC balance charger. That's a nice little machine there. Oh, the Osmo Pocket, 15%. I love my Osmo Pocket. Actually, last couple of videos, I've been running some clips with this, but gosh, that thing is super small. Fits in your pocket. You can save some cash there. Looks like the iFlight Turbo B. I believe this is a toothpick style quad. Yep. Small, light, micro. Save some cash on that one. Then we got some brushless motors if you're looking for motors. So hey, yeah, guys, if you're looking for some deals, here's a handful. Go ahead and check them out. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on halfchrome.com. Good luck and happy flying. Save some cash.